all you need is an eyeliner, or I'm using an eyeshadow stick. This is Smoky Emerald Color Chameleon from Charlotte Tilbury. It's kind of a really nice dark green. You need an eyeshadow. This is just Blackout. It's a plain matte black eyeshadow from Urban Decay. And then you're going to need a little pencil brush. This is the MAC 219, but anything small will do. Even if you have something kind of like this, as long as it's real flat on one side, it will work. So first you start out, all right, I'm gonna time this too and see how quickly this goes. I've just lined my eyes, nothing special or crazy. I'm not even doing a good job of it. I just smudged it on my eyes. There's no really shape to this or anything. I just want to make sure that I'm pressing the product with this pencil brush into my lower lash line so that there's no, I don't know if you can see, there's like a gap between my lashes and the color. You don't want that. So I'm looking down at a mirror here. That really helps. Excuse me. You know I can't talk and do makeup at the same time. I'm just going over this with the pencil brush and make sure it's all blended in. Now I'm going to take my finger and I'm just gently tapping right on top of the eyeliner. That's it. I'm just tapping it into the eyeliner. And all that's going to do is blur out that top line because we don't want that to be too harsh. Now I'm going to come back in with this pencil brush. If you have an angled brush, you can use that too. That helps. But I'm just dipping this right into this eyeshadow. And I'm kind of going gently around my lash line. And I'm just wiggling it kind of in between my lashes. Now with whatever's left on this, I'm not going to add any more. I'm gonna go right on the outside edges there. Now I'm going to take a little tissue, just gently sort of wipe off any excess. I'm going to start at the bottom because that's where I want the least amount of shadow to be. And I'm just going to blend. So far we're at 2 minutes, by the way. And I'm just blending right now. I'm literally going back and forth. I'm not moving the pencil in any direction. I'm just going back and forth over that shadow I placed. And I'm going to tap one more time. And that's it. We're at like not even 2.5 minutes right now. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put on a ton of mascara, finish my makeup, and that's your Soccer Mom Smokey Eye.